Hello guys, today we are going to explain about measurement of cardiothoracic ratio and detection of cardiomegaly in X-ray images using deep learning. So this is the front end part for the project. So our project name itself, it is saying that it is a deep learning based framework to accurately detecting the cardiomegaly from the medical imaging. So revolutioning early diagnosis and intervention of the cardiac health. So for this one we have to upload the cardiac image first, X-ray image. So here I am uploading the X-ray image. So after uploading the X-ray image, I have to select the algorithm. Here I given two algorithm options like VG16 and MobileNet. So in both algorithms, in VG16 I got 73% accuracy, in MobileNet I got accuracy of 72% accuracy. So I go with the VG16 algorithm. So after giving the algorithm also, I will click on this predict button. So after clicking this one, it is saying that that is true. That means cardiomegaly is there. That means that person having some cardiac issue. So like that. So for suppose if we upload another image, so if we upload some another image, so predict, so it is predicting that it is false. So if we give the predict image, it is predicting that whether it is a true or false. So like that, by using the deep learning algorithms, we are improving this project. Okay, thank you.